Alright, so we got a super old laptop from the 2012 era. It's a HP G6-2264ca. Yeah, so this one, it's got like an A6. Just gonna try and see if we can salvage anything from this. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be e-waste. But yeah, see what we can do. So I'll just take the back cover off first. Captive screw, so that's nice. At least we can salvage this SSD. 2.5-inch drive. Take off the keyboard. Oh, there we go. Yep. Yeah, there's a bunch of clips underneath. So there we go. Oops. Maybe just damaged that. All right. All right. Wow. That is oh. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. These hinges. I was able to order a replacement bottom cover. So these hinges will, as you can see, these hinges here, the sockets are broken. So I got a replacement cover coming. Just had to undo this screw and these cables and remove the Wi-Fi card that was here, as well as the antenna, which is connected to the monitor, and that would allow it to take the whole board out. I also got a replacement fan coming because that's probably really old as well. All right, I disconnected these cables here, this one as well, and I just have to remove this screw. We're going to replace the fan, clean off the heatsink, repaste it. And this whole board should come out. Have to remember how this goes. Remove it. Almost got it. There we go. Yep, adhesives. There we go. So shiny. Now we gotta do the heatsink. That is looking pretty good. Yeah, there we go. That works. And the other should come off easily. Pretty good. In. Should be okay. All right. Okay, that's good. So just cut go. Yeah. Line it up right. Last one. Sweet. That's looking pretty good. Okay, there we go. And then we just push it. Plastic. Just held on by plastic clips, which will probably break once I. Oh no, it didn't break. Just gotta replace this stuff. Yeah, we're good. I have to come out from the side. Yeah, there we go. What is this held in by? Oh, not hold. It's the same as this one here. Goes back in here like that. And then, oh, this one need to, dusty. And then this way. There we go. All right, so now it's time to put the board back in. Well, sides or the ports look okay. Just need to push down a bit, but otherwise, yeah. Let's push this up a bit, actually. There we go. And then lock that in. The next part is putting this screen back in. Should go in like that. Move it. That's looking good. So, that tunnel. There we go. Nice. There we go. And this way, okay. This in here. There we go. Just lock it in. Over here needs to go in as well. Lock that in. Alright. So I guess these are 4 minutes. This is tape. Yeah. Clips in. Let's see here. This is the way it goes in. There we go. That's better. Steady.